Ryan Breton has our full look at the forecast, and this storm that we're tracking seems to be moving at least out of southern Maine.
It is zipping right along, and it really was just inconvenient timing.
Yeah.
If you think if this came in at like 7 or 8 o'clock tonight, we'd even have enough time to clean up for tomorrow morning.
Right.
That's how
This
quick moving
window
it was.
was the worst.
Yeah, it just came in at about the worst time. And so far, snowfall totals trickling in. We invite you to send in yours. You can get us on social media or email weather@newscentermaine.com. 5 inches of snow in Meredith, New Hampshire, Gorham about 4.5. This total in Portland is a few hours old, so I imagine we're up over 4 or 5 inches now. Back edge of the snow, though, coming into southern Maine right now. I want to throw temperatures on here because it's pretty interesting. And you may remember yesterday and the day before, some of the models were showing rain, and we were saying no way. And the reason for that is in Portland, we have a north wind. Whenever you have a cold morning, a storm coming in, and the models try to warm up the surface, it just never really happens in Portland with a north wind. We have done that a little bit on parts of the mid-coast and down east, so it's not quite as cold there. And as the snow comes to an end, there may be a little bit of drizzle, and that may be in the form of freezing drizzle that might add a little icy glaze in spots, but I don't think it'll be too much to worry about. Still have some snow falling now in central Maine, the last of the snow coming through southern parts of the state, areas of snow on the mid-coast, and a little gap around Bangor. There may still be some light snow falling there, though. Steady snow exiting down East Maine right now. So we'll show you here the hour-by-hour forecast. This matches up pretty well with the back edge of the snow right now, ending between now and about 7 o'clock in most of southern Maine. Still some snow around Augusta and Waterville at 7, but it's over there by about 8 o'clock. Snow showers continue in the mountains and up north tonight, and there may actually be a quick snow shower or squall tomorrow morning. This is 6 a.m. up in the mountains, and a flurry could make it down elsewhere during the day tomorrow. What this will also do tomorrow is, as we see some sunshine, kick the wind up. It's going to be a windy day. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Highs tomorrow get to right around or just over 30 in central and southern Maine, 20s up north. But the wind's going to be a factor most of the day, especially in the morning. That's probably when the winds will be gusting at their strongest. Any plans tomorrow night? They are quiet. It is going to be cold tomorrow night, though. We'll start Saturday morning in the single digits. Mix of sunshine and clouds coming up on Saturday. Temperatures in the upper 20s to low 30s, so quiet during the day on Saturday. Then this next storm moves in for Saturday night. Now, it's a little bit stronger, but it's not a classic setup for a lot of snow for us. And the reason for that is it's basically tracking from west to east and not curling up into the Gulf of Maine. So as a result, the heavy area of snow basically just travels east to west along with the storm track. So the best chance for 6 inches or more of snow from this system will be about the southern third of the state down through southern New England, unless the track of the storm shifts north just a little bit, which is still a possibility. Timeline looks like it starts around or just after midnight Saturday night, snowing steadily Sunday morning, and then it should wind down from west to east Sunday afternoon with maybe just a few flurries or snow showers. So our first look at snowfall accumulations here, central and eastern Maine, maybe 2 to 4 inches, not much up north, and we're thinking 4 to 8 over about the southern half of the state. And if that storm track adjusts in either direction, we will adjust those numbers too. Tomorrow, seas will be running 5 to 8 feet with a gusty wind out on the water. So it's a gusty day tomorrow. There may be a flurry or brief snow shower. Quiet on Saturday, and then the next storm moves in for Saturday night into Sunday, and there could be another one middle of next week. So we'll just have to keep an eye on the exact track of that storm. If it shifts even by 50 miles, it could mean more or less of us get into the heavy snow.
Okay, we'll stay tuned, which is why we say that. All right, Ryan, thanks so much.
Yeah.